Hello guys, today I will show the process of creating an illustration of a heroic cat using oil pastels and some fun techniques for a childlike illustration style. Let's take a look at how I turned it out. I used a 0.9 mechanical pencil for the sketch, oil pastels for coloring, and blending tools to achieve a smooth finish. This technique is great for bringing the character to life in a fun way. I really like drawing in this cartoon style, giving the character a heroic vibe that makes them stand out. I guess this type of artwork could work perfectly for a children's book or even a comic, blending a playful and dynamic aesthetic. I started by building the character with basic shapes like circles and cylinders to define the pose and proportions. This step was essential to give balance and structure to the drawing. To outline the drawing, I use a brush pen and a fine liner pen. This helped emphasize the character's contours, adding more definition and contrast. The bold lines also made it much easier to apply the colors, creating a solid base for the painting. After finishing the sketch, I applied the base colors lightly, painting softly. This initial layer helped me visualize the palette and set the tone for the rest of the illustration. I also experimented with oil pastels techniques to find the best way to color the drawing. To create a smooth effect, I blended the colors. I used lighter tones alongside the blending tool. Next, I added shadows to bring more depth to the drawing. By using darker tones and blending them with the tool, I created contrast that gave the character volume and life. During the sketch phase, I had also planned a simple background. I drew the character standing near some mountains with several clouds scattered around, to create a better atmosphere and make the character stand out more. So, this is the final result of my drawing. Working with oil pastels can be a bit challenging, especially when blending colors and adding details, but I'm happy with how I turned it out. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process behind this artwork. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time. Bye!